this up real quick. Which way is it? Oh, it's looking like this way. Oh, it's looking like that way. Either way, it should get out of my way. Oh well. Enough with the thugged out shit. Let a bitch get her motherfucking scarf. That's a cool ass magic trick, isn't it? But anyway, welcome to that episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Created. We back with another video, and we are unboxing today's package, which is a brand new mouse from eBay. Now, I have been saying that I wanted to do reviews, probably the day, like a few days after I get the product, but I had to show you this one because I didn't expect this to come so early. So I have this wired USB mouse from eBay. This cost me $2.51. Let me tell you something. When I tell you this look just like the picture that I saw on the website, this looks just like the picture. It's really nice. And sorry, I'm sorry, this episode, let me get serious. It actually is a really nice mouse. And compared to my Bluetooth wired one, it's definitely way more convenient because this is a great one. Like, compared to this is a great one. It's bigger in size. This is a really great mouse, but it was kind of getting a little bit buggy, and I actually want to have a mouse that I can control better. And this one just kept bugging out on me and stuff like that. And the DPI, it doesn't even work as properly as it once did before. And of course, this is Bluetooth. This is not. This is wired. So I don't have to worry about batteries and stuff like that. So yeah, this might be relatively short. The controlling of it so far is really good. It works like any other mouse that comes with your computer. Let's see. Let's compare it to an old school mouse. I'll be right back. I'm back. Here we go. So compared to the old school mouse, you can see a major difference, right? But they still have the same thing. They still have the clickers, the, rolling, except this is the ball. This is more of the infrared lighting. And just the style itself is completely different, but they still work the same. I absolutely love this mouse, and I also love this mouse. So I'll probably be using this one more often than my red one because I was just getting so sick of it being so buggy, and I was just like, come on, man. Like, what else am I going to do? I needed a new mouse anyway. And I was like, oh my gosh, I don't want to spend $10 to $15 on a whole mouse that I won't use as often. So I always go for a cheaper route, and that's my fault most of the time, going for that cheaper route. But cheaper is always better, especially if it works. If it's a knockoff, or if it's or generic, or what I would consider a no brand, 9 times out of 10 it often works. Most of these clean cut, state of the art mouses that you use for your laptop or your desktop or whatever, for if you connect it to if you can build a PC through your TV, half of those shits don't even work. And that's bothersome to a lot of people, including me, your girl. But yeah, this, I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 because I'm taking 3 points off because of the color. I could have got a better color, but it is what it is. But that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share the video. This is actually one of the shortest reviews I've done so far, so hooray for me. Click the notification bell. Be notified of all my videos. And I'll be doing the hot body cream after use 1 year later video tomorrow. I'm actually going to try to get started now. I'm going to try to figure out what I would like to say about this product. It's some good things. It's some good things, of course. But yeah, I will see you all next time. Bye. Oh yeah, and like if you like the little scarf trick I did.